A robot just outwalked most humans, and it's making history. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for all the tech news. AgiBot's humanoid A2 has officially smashed records by completing a jaw-dropping 106.3-kilometer trek from Suzhou to Shanghai's iconic Bund, taking 3 days to finish without stopping. Footage shows the full-size machine striding confidently through city streets, national highways, and over bridges, a feat even seasoned walkers would find thrilling. The secret behind this win is AgiBot's rapid hot swap battery system, which allowed the A2 to keep going around the clock without missing a step. AgiBot's VP, Wan Chong, said, "Walking from Suzhou to Shanghai is a tough task, even for many humans, but the robot achieved it." He praised the robot's hardware, algorithms, and endurance, calling it a major step towards a large-scale commercial launch. While the achievement is impressive, we're left thinking how many battery swaps did it take to keep A2 moving? Was the route program, or did the robot adapt it according to unpredictable city traffic? How closely was the robot monitored, and did it require any maintenance during the marathon? The A2 also faced real-world challenges by navigating crowded streets and vehicles with its obstacle avoidance sensors. Though no breakdowns were reported, it's unclear if the robot encountered any moments of mechanical strain. AgiBot joins a global race to create humanoid robots for workplaces and homes, with designs improving at lightning speed. Feats like A2's record-setting walk hint at a future where robots couldn't only work alongside humans, but also outperform. For now, the A2 isn't just walking, it's sprinting boldly into the future. Do you think the robots would take over? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.